if you have the protons help you transfer magnetization from fluorine 1 to fluorine 2,
Yeah.
it could be that it's not a direct dipolar interaction anymore.
Yeah, so the proton-driven X nucleus spin diffusion actually is still going by the distance between X and X. It's not going by X, H, H, X. It's not that.
Yeah.
It's just that the protons are around, and if your protons are decoupled from the X spin, then you can draw, this is a single quantum transition, isotropic shift for the two sides, and they won't have no overlap. That's the idea. And if you have the proton coupled to your system a little bit, let me exaggerate, then this is the picture people draw. They say that there is some overlap. Then that promotes dipolar strain exchange flip-flop. And so I either turn off the proton decoupling so that happens, or I recouple a little bit. I try to achieve this. This is where, if you have a high field, your isotropic shift gets further and further away. It just gets very hard.